Okay, good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about on how someone or a person or an individual can show good manners and being considerate, especially in public place. What do you think about that?
In my opinion, I think good manners means action or good attitude that we can show to other people in public place, such as be positive or be kind with others, that can make our life better. Syahirah, what do you think about good manners in public?
Thank you, HANIM. From my opinion, we must always be very polite and humble during talking to someone, either elder or younger from us. Being polite in this situation means we must to talk to them as slow as possible, depends on the situation. For example, at the public place, like at the information counter, we ask the person at the counter. We ask like, "Excuse me, sir, may I ask you something?" So this situation, this person at the counter automatically will respond to us because we ask them nicely. But if we ask them harshly, they will ignore us automatically.
Oh, I agree with you, but from my opinion, showing good manners, we can practicing the prioritize other people before ourselves. For example, if we use public transportation in our daily life, of course we are dealing with some situation that everyone's struggling to stand up because the lot of people in the train or bus. So if we are seeing someone such as like an elderly person or a pregnant woman, we could or we should offer him or her our seat, because we know the feeling of struggling to something we need to do. So what do you think of my opinion, Azian?
Thank you, Hafizah. Your point is quite brilliant in order to bring a good manners to others. But I have my personal opinion regarding to our topic. So, in my humble opinion, I think we have to be patient in every single thing that we do in our life. This is because when we talk to others, we need that patience to make us can be polite to others. In the other ways, when we have something to discuss, or like group discussion or group presentation, we need that patience to achieve our goals. So what do you think about my opinion?
I think, yeah, it's a nice opinion, nice idea. But what if as you know, a normal person or individual person has its own limits on patience? What do you think about that?
Oh, thank you for that question, Mustaqim. In my opinion, of course and for sure, normal person have their own limitation in being patient to others. So it depends to ourselves how we have to manage our emotion, our behavior to others. That's why I tell to all of you that we need to be patient in everything that we do in our life.
Okay. Do you mean that a good person or a normal person that should manage his or her emotion?
What I want to tell to you is being patient is the best good manner to being a good person.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Okay. I will like to elaborate more on that point. Don't you think that when we be patient to others, we will gain many friends, or many people will be comfortable with us? Don't you think that?
Yes.
They like our behavior.
Absolutely.
Yes.
They like our way, our
Yes, I agree with you, but I want to stand to my opinion, being polite.
Okay,
Like for example, when we talk to when we for his opinion, like he asked the priority to sit like that. We ask them politely.
Yes.
We use nice word, but when we use bad word, like hey you, can you sit here?
it's not
Automatically
good.
she will what is kind is good.
yes.
I agree with your point, Syahirah. So I think that being polite is and being patient these two things they are linked. So when we have to be polite to others, we need that patience in our emotion.
Yes. So patient and being polite is two things that we need in every situation.
Yes.
What can I got from your good opinion?
I would like to add something to your point, Hafizah.
Yes.
Regarding to your point, you said regarding to your example that some of example is good manners is give seat to the priorities. Okay, but at the same time, the person who has given the priority should thank
Yes.
the
Yes.
person.
It should
That
be give
give-
and take situation.
Yes,
We
they
should
give
practicing
the
basic
priority.
ethics.
Yes.
Because we in our life we must appreciate someone that
Help us.
help us in other is if we have problems
Or if we need
in
something.
emergency, we must appreciate
By saying thank you.
Or give anything that
To appreciate someone
Yes.
that has
So when
helped us.
we appreciate someone, okay, other people will also like us.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
good manners.
Yes.
So there is mean that good manners or being considerate is not include just one side,
Yes,
But
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 it's
the both side. Is
yes,
it?
yes.
Yes.
give and takes.
Excuse me, I would like to add on in my for my opinion. I think when what is the best
Okay, guys, we have 2 minutes left.
Okay, thank you, Afiza. The best important in being patient is we are free from health problem.
Yes,
Yes.
What do you mean about the health problem?
Okay, yeah, it's not a serious problem, but health health problem that usually be in student life. Okay, I would like to give an example. That is stress. When we have that patient in our emotion, we are far from being stressed.
Yes.
For example, what I give that when we do group presentation, group discussion, we have to be patient to hear or listen to another explanation and
We need
opinion.
to talk when it's our turn.
Yes. So that
Yeah,
we will simply to manage finishing our teamwork. So I think that's all from my opinion.
So what can you conclude from our discussion, Aisyah?
In our conclusion, we have decided that be patient in front of others is the best good manners that we can show in public. Because if we don't have patience in ourselves, good manners, others good manners cannot
useless.
cannot be built. If we show good manners to others, of course, many people can follow us and we can get happy and happy life.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.